Jewelry shines in showrooms, but its real journey begins inside a factory, where craftsmanship meets precision and discipline. Behind every brilliant piece are skilled artisans, structured systems, and carefully managed manufacturing processes. Many dream of starting a jewelry factory, but few understand the planning, quality systems, and operational discipline required to succeed. Building Brilliance reveals the real journey of setting up a jewelry manufacturing factory from vision to structured manufacturing excellence. Because brilliance is not created by design alone. It is built through systems, people, and a commitment to manufacturing excellence.